So today we're going to start Unit 11. Unit 11 talks about areas of sectors, areas of figures, so I think you're going to do pretty good on this unit. So first we need to just remember our area formulas. Okay. If we have a triangle, remember the area is 1/2 your base times your height. So your height is from the peak, and then your base is your bottom part. The area of a rectangle is your length times your width. The area of a square is all the sides multiplied together here. So 4 times your side, or your perimeter, sorry. Your perimeter would be all the sides added together there. Or your area is side times side, which is side squared. Sorry. A parallelogram here, we have to have a height inside here. So we do have to have a height. Okay, so, and we have bases. Remember, these bases are the same with your parallelogram. Remember, they are equal. Okay, so your area here is just going to be your base times your height. Well, with a trapezoid, that means that they are not the same. Okay, but we are going to have a height, and we're going to have two bases that are not equal lengths here. Okay, so remember your area here is going to be 1/2 base 1 plus base 2 times your height. And your circle here, remember your diameter is all the way across and your radius is your halfway across. So your area here is pi r squared. Okay? All right. So this just gets us warmed up with, so all of this should be very easy for you. So this is going to be just kind of quick and let you work on your homework here. So if I have a square and each one of these sides here is going to be 8.5, I want to find the area of this figure. So this is a square. So the area will be 8.5 times 8.5. So that's going to be what? 72.25. If I have a circle and my diameter all the way across is 26. So try to find the area of the circle here. I'm sorry, my drawings are not very good this morning. Okay, so the radius is going to be 13. So this is going to be pi times 13 squared. So 13 squared times pi, so that's 169. So that's going to be 530.93. And sorry, I should have put, that's yards here, so that would be yards squared. And this is feet, so this would be feet. The units would be squared here. Okay, this is ugly, but this is a parallelogram here. So this is going to be, the area here is going to be your base because you have equal bases here. So it's going to be 11.8 times your height, which is 16.1. And these are meters. So 11.8 times 16.1. So that is 189.98 meters squared. Okay, here I'm going to draw a trapezoid. So my bases are the parallel sides. Remember, your parallel sides will be your bases. So your area here will be 1/2 times 7 plus 13 times your height, which is the distance between the two bases. So your height there would be a 5. So 7 plus 13 times a 5, 2. So that's going to be a 50, and it's millimeters squared. Okay. All right. So just make sure that you are able to find the area, and even if I asked you for perimeter, remember perimeter would just be adding all the sides together. So that was quick, but I do think that you could finish this homework and be done for today before you go home. So if you have any questions about anything, let me know. You'll have a great day.